The pitch of whistle of an engine appears to drop by 20% of original value. Pitch of the whistle means apparent frequency heard by an observer. It will drop by 20% of its original value. If I say n is the original frequency or original pitch, then the new pitch heard by observer, it is less than the original pitch by 20%, means n minus 20% of n, or it is n minus of 20 by 100 n, or it is n minus 0.2 n, or it is 0.8 times that of n. Now, when it passes stationary observer is stationary, means VO is 0, speed of observer is 0. If the speed of sound in air V is equal to 350 meter per second, then the speed of engine means speed of source, that we have to find. See here, we know according to Doppler's formula, what is the apparent frequency heard by observer? N dash is equal to n in bracket V plus minus VO upon V minus plus Vs. V minus plus Vs. Use upper sign whenever distance increases. Use upper sign whenever distance decreases, distance between source and observer decreases. But here that observer is moving, passes away, actually observer is moving away from the source, is moving away from the observer, so use lower sign. So here the apparent frequency is equal to n in bracket, use lower sign because source is moving away, engine is moving away from the observer. So V minus VO upon V plus Vs, because velocity of observer is 0, observer is stationary, means V0 is 0. So it is n into V divided by V plus Vs, Now put the value of n dash upon n, here rearrange the term, n dash divided by n is equal to V upon V plus Vs. Since we know n dash is equal to 0.8 n, so we had 0.8 n divided by n is equal to, what is the velocity of sound given? 350 divided by 350 plus velocity of source, that is velocity of engine. So here n get cancelled with n and we had 0.8 into cross multiply 350 plus Vs is equal to 350, therefore Vs is equal to, see here 350 minus of 0.8 into 350, 1 minus 0.8 means 0.2 into 350, and therefore speed of engine, it comes to be double that of 350 is 87.5 meter per second, meter per second. So the speed of engine is 87.5 meter per second. So option B is the correct option for this question.